I'm just trying awkward, and I don't need coffins, cause you itch but kiss. Bunch of Brian Paul singers, you gon' tie up off. I've been diabolical with this dialogue since 99, bro. Legacy.
Essentially gave organizations like GCHQ and the NSA a free rein to go do mass surveillance. It also overturned a lot of the rules and laws.
Cloud providers. And the challenge is I'm sure some of those inquiries are legitimate inquiries. The problem is that the government cries wolf over so many of these various users.